At Harrisburg International Airport. Gonna be taking off here in a little bit. Starting the engine. N642AN. Yeah. Here comes the wind. I love this. Oh yeah. Going over there to sit, do his pre-flight before takeoff. So when it gets down to the end of the runway, just be like bloop, just take off. Powering up those engines. Sorry, it's a bit windy. See ya, bye. See ya, bye. They just redid this with the airport a little bit down here because they put a taxi off the runway right there, and it used to be down at the end of the runway down there. So I think they'll be repaving it from, like, I'm not sure if you can see them, but those tower lights right there, behind there is some red blinking lights on the runway. So everybody has to get off right here. Taxi off this part right here. And then down there, from there, and these red ones down here, they're gonna be redoing the runway down there, I guess, supposedly. So takes about 3 to 4 minutes to get down to the end of the runway for this airplane to take off, so I'm going to pause it for a second. So I guess the DHL airplane is coming down right now, going out to the runway to take off. So we'll see here in a second. All the airplanes from Philadelphia and New York are landing here, like the bigger flights. They're like people that are closer to live around here are landing around here because of the fact there's a bad storm going on in Philadelphia and New York right now. So they're delaying the flights out there, and they're also bringing in all the bigger airplanes here for some weird reason, because they can't fly in rain or something. I don't know. or don't like to fly in the rain. Who knows? Hang on, there's another airplane coming in, so be right back. Alright, here comes our airplane, DHL airplane, going down the runway. If you do like my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up for the likes. My name is Trip, because I'm one funny dude. Plus, it's my initials in my name, so everybody calls me Trip. Haha, kind of sounds weird, but that's how it goes. It's a little windy up there because it's going sideways. Sorry, I have a bad phone. Don't have really good quality at night. Don't have really good quality during the day because I'm doing it on my phone until I get a GoPro. So when I get a GoPro and it actually works, I'll start uploading in my stuff to my channel, and we'll go from there. So, Trip out. Peace.